Information and communication technology. Data and information. The numbers, words, images, and symbols which do not bear a meaning when stand alone are called data. We can get meaningful information by arranging data. Information system. Once, man used pencil to process data, but today, computer has become man's data processor. System is a combination of compounds that work together to fulfill a task. We use many systems in our day-to-day activities, such as ATM, fingerprint reader machine, QR code reader. There are many characteristics of quality information. A few of them are given below. Relevancy, completeness, accuracy, timeliness, cost effectiveness. Applications of information and communication technology. E-government, industries, businesses, education, health, transport. Applications in the field of education. Ability to learn in any place at any time. In the classroom, learning management serves as a teaching aid for the teacher. There are many ways the computer and the internet are used for education in the classroom. For presentations, videos on experiments, creation of images and videos, desktop publishing of magazines and letters, educational games, learning using the CD-ROM media. Education for everyone. With the development of ICT, today anyone from any country can connect with a university or any other learning center. This is called distance learning. Digital library facilities on joining a course, online assignments, quizzes, connect with a teacher online. ICT in health sector. Use of ICT in diagnosis. Computerized axial tomography machine. Using this machine, 3D images of different body parts can be made. These images are helpful in diagnosis of diseases. Magnetic resonance imaging machine. This machine can create digitalized images of internal organs, helpful in the detection and deciding of treatments of diseases. Electrocardiogram machine. This machine is used to monitor the heartbeat and records the electrical impulses produced during the pumping of blood into different parts of the body. Cardiac screening machine. This machine shows the physiology and the movements of heart. Electroencephalography. This machine is used to record the activities of the brain. Blood sugar testing machine. This device would analyze a sample of blood and determine the blood glucose amount. Blood sugar measuring machine. This device can measure the blood sugar level of a person at rest and when they are involved in some physical activities. Telemedicine. The use of information and technology to provide healthcare to a patient far away is known as telemedicine. Emergency telemedicine. Giving emergency treatments for person cannot reach a hospital. Home health medicine. Keeping patient at home and monitoring. Telemedicine consultation. Seeking medical condition of a specialist at the emergency treatment unit when the patient is not in a hospital is known as telemedicine consultation. Telesurgery. Remote surgery means the ability of a doctor to perform surgery on a patient in consultation. Medical teletraining. Training from a person in a foreign country or a distant place is called teletraining.